In the heart of Northern Ireland, during the tumultuous 1960s, Belfast stood divided, a city of stark contrasts. Catholics and Protestants, bound by a shared history yet divided by a deep-seated religious animosity, called this city home. The Catholic population, largely nationalist in sentiment, yearned for unification with the Republic of Ireland. On the other hand, the Protestant community, predominantly unionist, sought to maintain ties with Great Britain. This political and religious divide was the root of the Belfast Troubles, a conflict that would tear the city apart. The spark that ignited the flame was the August 1969 riots. The catalyst was a peaceful civil rights march, demanding fair housing and employment opportunities for Catholics. The march was met with violent resistance from unionist loyalists, leading to widespread clashes and destruction. The British government, initially slow to react, eventually deployed troops to restore order. The scene that unfolded was one of chaos and devastation. Homes were burned, businesses looted, and lives shattered, all in the name of religious and political allegiance. The Belfast Troubles would last for over 3 decades, claiming the lives of thousands and leaving deep scars on the city and its people. The conflict served as a stark reminder of the power of sectarianism, a force that can drive people to violence and destruction. Yet, amidst the turmoil, there were moments of hope. The Good Friday Agreement of 1998 brought an end to the violence and paved the way for peace. Today, Belfast stands as a testament to resilience and the power of reconciliation, a city that has risen from the ashes of conflict to become a symbol of unity in a divided world.